Angel numbers are sequences of numbers that hold spiritual significance and messages from the universe. They often appear in our lives repeatedly, drawing attention to their meanings. Each number vibrates with unique energies, leading to interpretations that guide individuals toward personal growth, enlightenment, and deeper understanding of their life paths. The 161 angel number comprises the energies of the numbers 1 and 6. The number 1 symbolizes new beginnings and assertiveness, while 6 represents harmony and balance. When combined, these numbers convey a message of achieving personal balance and embracing new opportunities that lead to spiritual growth and fulfillment. For twin flames, the 161 angel number embodies themes of unity and balance. It encourages individuals to harmonize their energies for a deeper connection. This number also signifies essential spiritual growth, suggesting that both partners must evolve personally to achieve a successful and fulfilling reunion on their twin flame journey. The journey of twin flames is often filled with unexpected challenges and profound lessons. The 161 angel number serves as a guiding beacon, urging individuals to focus on self-discovery and healing. By embracing personal growth, twin flames can navigate their paths toward union or reunion with greater clarity and understanding. Encountering the 161 angel number often coincides with significant synchronicities that serve as messages from the universe. These signs remind individuals to maintain open awareness and be receptive to spiritual guidance. Recognizing these signs can enhance understanding and foster a deeper connection with the journey of their twin flame relationship. To interpret the 161 angel number in daily life, focus on fostering balance and embracing new opportunities. Reflect on personal goals and emotional connections, especially within your twin flame relationship. Journaling thoughts and remaining open to intuitive insights can significantly enhance understanding and application of this powerful angel number. In conclusion, we have explored the significance of the 161 angel number and its impact on twin flame relationships. We encourage viewers to reflect on their own connections and experiences. For more insightful content on angel numbers and twin flames, subscribe to our channel and join our spiritual community.